Just eat it already, Ivy. It's taking you forever. Alright, just give it to me. I'll eat the rest of it. I'll just take that.
You can't go anywhere.
Put the whole thing in your mouth if you want to protect it from me. She's trying to double fist and take Max's. Yes, it is good. Eat it. Eat it. Ew. What was that?
It's a chocolate that fell off of the candy.
It looks like poop now.
Oh, it's gross.
Why have...
Give her this. No. Oh, dropped it everywhere. Look. Who eats candy?
Why is she... I know she can feed herself better than this.
No, I don't know.
You are intentionally making a huge mess. Did you teach her that?
I'm gonna get this cleaned up.
What? She is still only halfway done with it.
It's.
Oh. Oh.
I can't sure about this.
Ew.
I said I can't sure about this.
Happy day after Halloween.